Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to fix Chrome where it automatically closes after opening Android and other Chrome problems. Here are a few things that you can do into our settings. So let's go ahead and go into our settings right here. And then we're going to scroll down until we can find the apps section right here. So click on the apps. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Chrome right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be resetting or deleting our app data. So let's go down until we find storage right here. And then click manage storage on the bottom left. And then go ahead and clear all data right here. And then click OK. And then let's go back. And then force stop on the bottom right. So click on force stop and then click OK. This will then fully force Chrome to stop. And then let's go back into this apps section and scroll all the way up until we can find Android system web view right here. So let's open this up and we're going to clear this out as well. So let's go into storage and then clear data and then delete. And then there you go. Now what you need to do is you need to restart your phone for this to take effect. So go ahead and restart your phone. After it has restarted, we'll go ahead into our Chrome itself. So as you can see, it's all fully opened up into a new system. Accept and continue. And then you can choose to either turn on sync or not. This is entirely up to you. And there you go. So as you can see here, we have Chrome all loaded up. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.